What do you do when you get 2 loads of wagons full of honeydew? Stay tuned. We are making honeydew drink. So, got it cut open. I'm gonna get a bowl. I'm saving seeds to pass along to my friends if they want them. If not, then I have seeds for another time for myself to plant these again. But next time I'll know not to plant but maybe 6 or 7 seeds. Because this last time I planted the whole thing. It came out of one of these melons. And that was a lesson learned. They like my climate. They like my area. So I have lots of honeydew to share with family and friends. Might even take, when our Bible study starts back, might even take this drink to the Bible study. So this is a harvest / video. Where is it? It's in the refrigerator. Sorry about that, folks. We're always real life here. So, if you don't know, I drink a lot of, the dairy seems to upset the geographical tongue that I have. So, let me get the can so y'all can see what I'm doing. Ooh, I need to buy some more. There's my last can. But coconut cream, once I open it, it goes in a mason jar, stays in my fridge. I'll just put that right there for now. So I'm gonna put about half of this into here. The coconut cream and coconut milk does not aggravate the geographical tongue. When you learn what you do, what you gotta do, folks. Okay, let's get y'all facing the blender a little bit. So what I do is nothing graceful. I just plop it out in chunks. And we'll fill this. And I'll go and pause it because you don't need to see the whole field of it. Okay, I got it all processed or cut up and dug out with a spoon, and I've got it in here, and we're going to blend Let's show y'all how pretty this is. Get a little bit of ice. Because this is straight out of my garden. Minus the coconut cream. Another way to stay hydrated during the hot summer months. All right, everybody. Please stay safe. Please get ready and please get prepared. Frontier Mentality signing out.